the blood relation, we are having so many relations. Some of our grandfather, some grandmother, some maternal grandmother, maternal grandfather, sister, brother, cousin, uncle, aunt, and there's so many other relations. But what we need to take care of relations, or what we need to take care of the things when we are solving the questions from the concept of blood relation. Now just read this particular question. Here the data is given, and here the data is given in the format of coded data. This type of blood relation is known as a coded blood relation. Here some symbols with the entities are given, and here we are having few data, right? Now on the basis of this, what we need to do, we need to determine the answer, and the question is asking us what? Which of the following expression shows that A is maternal grandfather of C? Maternal basically shows us the mother side, right? But here you know that what we need to determine, we need to determine that A is a maternal grandfather, right? So from this we can say easily say that A is a male. A is what? A is a male, right? And if A is a maternal grandfather of C, that means there is a generation gap in between A and C, right? Okay, let's talk about, let's consider one example, right? This is me, right? This is me. Now, in just my above generation, I am having my mother, father, right? I am having my mother, father. In one more above generation, I am having my grandparents, right? So there's a generation gap of 2 levels, right? Okay. So if I want to determine the relation out of these 4 options, in which option or which option shows that A is a maternal grandfather of C, that means I need to describe I need to check the generation gap. Are we getting any generation gap over here? No. So just simply eliminate this option. Basically, this approach is known as elimination approach, where we are having 4 options, so every option is having 25% possibility, right? Now, I simply eliminated one option. Now, the rest 3 options is having 33.1 by 3 possibility of it to be correct, right? Now, we know that if this is male, right? Now, just simply check the entities with the given symbol. So, here, the first is A minus B, or A subtracted B. Now just simply check where we are having this type of code. P minus Q. P minus Q means P is a sister. P is a sister. That means here A is a sister of B. But we know that A is a male. That means this option is also eliminated. There is no need to draw the diagram with each and every option that we are having. It saves a lot of time if we will solve it accordingly, right? Now we are left with just 2 options. The first option is A plus B divided by C, and here we are having A divided by B plus C. Now what we need to do, we just simply need to check. Now what we can do, here we will write dividation sign, because here both are having the plus symbol. So A plus B, that means P is a mother of Q. Again, if A is a mother, then this can't be our answer. So this option is also eliminated, and the correct answer over here is your option number D. So we can easily determine the answer. First, what we have to do, we have to determine the gender. After that, we just need to check the generation gap. So if you will know all these points, you can easily attempt all these type of questions, and you can save your time just to solve the other question.